everyone, this is Maria and it's time to announce the 2 lucky winners of my hidden giveaway. This hidden giveaway was tucked away in my video where I do an unboxing of these Cutetitos, these really adorable Cutetitos that I purchased at Walmart for $9.99 each. And they are so adorable. Well, oh, okay, just a second. Someone wants to come by and say hello to you guys. It's a Cutito! And so, look how adorable he is. He's all nice and snuggly and wrapped up in his tortilla because he was taking a tortilla nap. And anyways, these are still so cute. I still love these. Oh, look at that. He loves the attention, you guys. He loves the camera. And so let's go ahead and draw the winners. Should we draw the winners now? So in this giveaway, we have 11 entries, and they are Kaya's Cookie, Lila and Scruffy, Cameron Menardo, Carmen Vega, Mary Wells, J Luna 914, Lola Lane, E2 Envy, Froggy Fan, Kaylee McCoy the Geek Queen, and Amy Stott. So for everyone who said they love burrito naps, your name is in this bowl. So let's go ahead and pick the 2 winners. And let's stir these up really good. It's only about 5 o'clock here on Sunday evening, and it is already dark, you guys, because of daylight savings time. And I'm gonna be honest here, I am not a fan of daylight savings time. I love the natural light, you guys, the sunshine. And so daylight savings time just starts to make me feel sleepy early. And so yeah, I love the sunshine. In fact, my doctor once said to me, oh, you're a sun child, and I never thought of it that way, but the sun does seem to give me energy, and so I probably do belong here in Southern California, you guys, where most of the time it's sunny. Except during daylight savings time, the sun goes down earlier. So, okay, I'm not going to talk anymore. And so let's go ahead and draw the winner. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, let's see who the first winner of this Cutito is. And I love these Cutitos, you guys. I'm so tempted to go back and buy more. Oops, let's see. Carmen Vega. Carmen Vega, you were the first winner of a Cutito. Okay, so let's draw a second name. Just a reminder, if you should win one of my giveaways, I'll be contacting you and I'll send you my email, and then you could forward me your shipping information. And because I would love to get your prize out to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's draw that second winner. Here we go, you guys. Right here, right here. I think we mixed them up really good. Let's see who the second winner is. Oh! Kaylee McCoy, the Geek Queen. Kaylee McCoy, the Geek Queen. Now, Kaylee has previously won a giveaway. So if you win one of my giveaways, you're more than welcome to enter another one, you guys, because everything is fair here on my channel. Oh my goodness, you guys. What do you have there, Pepito? Pepito, what is this? Another Cutito? You want me to go ahead and raffle this one off too? Draw another winner? Okay, you guys, I cannot say no to this adorable face, can you? So let's go ahead and draw a third lucky winner for this Cutito. Pepito. He's so cute. I just can't say no to that face. Okay, here we go. Pepito, tell me when to stop, and we'll draw a lucky winner. Okay, I'm not looking, you guys. Pepito, are you looking? Here we go, you guys. Let's draw a winner for this third Cutito. Remember, get me your addresses, you guys, if you win one of my giveaways, because like I just mentioned, I do like to get them to the post office and in the mail. Here we go. And you will have to sign for them, by the way, you know, through your postal service. Here we go. Third winner, third and last winner. Pepito, this has to be the last winner. Okay, here we go. Oh, Lola Lane, you were the winner of this third Cutito. So congratulations to our 3 winners of this hidden giveaway, Carmen Vega, Kaylee McCoy, the Geek Queen, and Lola Lane. Thanks for watching, everyone. And again, thank you for entering this giveaway and for watching my videos. And I hope you come back tomorrow on Monday for another holiday giveaway number 3. Thanks, everyone. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day, and I hope you're enjoying the holidays. Bye.